than 5 kilometers, we've been following a police car.
So Ray cannot overspeed.
Police car, which is literally following the law.
Or he's forced to because he has someone behind him.
Tama, kasi ang speed limit dito 40 lang talaga siya. Ang sa konti kung sobra. So, imagine for 5 kilometers sinusundan namin yan, no? Police car. Kung sa Pilipinas pa yan, mag-overtake niya sila ng may emergency daw kunwari. But this police car is literally following the law. The traffic law. Bilis. Ganun kung long like sa amin na more than 10 kilometers pa yung biyahe, imagine traveling this speed, no? Napunta kami ng gabi. You know, police talaga siya. Sumusunod sa batas.
We're still at the natural park of Furigama.
Yung Baru. Tignan mo, nahiya siya, oh. 40 pa talaga yan. So, we've been following him more than
Ako sa
5
kanya,
kilometers na siya.
nag-stop siya somewhere, tapos unahan niya tayo. Para di na rin siya maghintay ng matagal.
Literally, kwanto, idealistic na police.
Ito yung overnight, may mga ano pala overnight places, pero so
So we're going to Higashi. Higashi ano to?
Gashi Furei Hirugi Park. We're supposed to pass by a flood discharge flood discharge area. But Papa was going so fast,
We're following the police
missed
car.
it.
Stop tayo dito. Abutan pa rin natin sa dito.
Ano eh. Done.
Yan. Wala yung police car. Mabilis. Yan.
Now approaching the coastal
Oh, ayan.
road. No, ganda.
Pacific.
That's so nice. Okay. Oops. Windshield. Ooh, nice. The coast of Higashi.
Kwanto? Bay. Bay siya. Bay ba?
Hindi naman. Kaya, parang bay.
Bay siya. Higashi, diba? Kana